In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to overlay drawings in Bluebeam. Overlaying drawings is a fast, reliable way to compare revisions, coordinate between disciplines, and spot changes at a glance. We'll walk through the process from start to finish so you can get a clean, color-coded composite in just a few clicks. First, open Bluebeam Revu. You can start from a blank workspace or with any PDF open. What matters is that the application is running so you can access the overlay tool. If you work with plan sets frequently, it helps to keep your files neatly named so you can identify the exact sheets you need later. Next, go to the Document menu at the top and choose Overlay Pages. This command launches the Overlay Pages dialog, which is purpose-built for stacking multiple drawings on top of one another. Think of it as a transparent tracing view where each drawing keeps its own visual identity, making differences easy to see. Now click Add Files and select the drawings you want to overlay. These should be PDFs of the sheets you plan to compare or coordinate. You can add 2 or more, and Bluebeam will stack them together in the order shown in the dialog. For best results, use plan PDFs that were generated from CAD or BIM, since vector content aligns and displays more cleanly than scanned images. It also helps if the sheets share the same scale and size. That way they line up predictably and the overlay reads clearly. Once your files are added, assign a color to each drawing for distinction. This is where the comparison really comes to life. Choose contrasting colors that stand out from one another so additions and deletions are obvious. For example, you might set an older revision to blue and the newer one to red, or use green for a consultant's file so it's unmistakable. The goal is to give each source a unique visual signature so your eye can instantly track what came from where. When everything looks right in the dialog, click OK to generate the overlay. Bluebeam will process the files and produce a combined view that reflects your color choices. You'll see the drawings stacked together with differences popping based on the color assignments. Zoom into details, pan across the sheet, and use your regular review tools to inspect areas that matter most. If anything looks slightly off, it usually points back to the inputs like mismatched scales or scans. So using clean, consistent PDFs gives you the most accurate results. That's all there is to it. With just a few clicks, you've created a clear, color-coded overlay ready for review and collaboration. Thanks for watching and happy reviewing in Bluebeam.